Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask a user to select two numbers, one for input an integer and then 0 to display, and then it will ask for 5 integer numbers using arrays in C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So I'm using dev C++ in writing this program, so it is free to download from the internet. So by the way guys, don't worry because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. So we have here several library file, IOStream for input output, CMAT for math operation, and then using namespace std, and then array we have 5 numbers, and then we have sentinel. Okay, I think I have to remove this one. Okay, count, no. Okay, I have to remove extra variable. So int main array size, that is 5, I for I. Okay, option input. So we have here asking the user to give enter 1 to input, so it will accumulate value here using for loop statement. We increment here. Okay, enter several values, and then by press 0 it will display the list of values here using if else statement, conditional if else statement for a0 a less than 5. So in C++ we don't count starting by 1 but by 0 we display the result. And then thank you for using the software. When the program stops running, system pause, and then we close the main function. So the int main in C++ is a function that is being executed by our compiler the same way when we terminate. Okay, let us compile and run to test the code. Enter 1 to input an integer. So 7, 5, 12, 8, 34. So when we press 0 it will display the list of given integers. It will be stored in our array using one-dimensional array in C++. So here we go. We have here the output. Element 1 we have 7, element 2 we have 5, element 3 we have 12, element 4 we have 8, and element 5 we have 34. Okay, another example. Press 1 to input an integer. Let's say 100, 200. Item 3 we have 300, item 4 we have 400, item 5 we have 500. When we press 0, so array element number 1 we have 100, array element number 2 we have 200, array element 3 we have 300, array element 4 we have 400, and array element 5 we have 500. Thank you for using this software. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video of arrays of numbers inputs in C++ programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. I will put a link in the video description guys where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.